Are you planning to drill through your wall? Be mindful, you have all these things behind your wall that you could possibly drill into that could cause you thousands of dollars in damages. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll show you how to prevent it. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So you decide to hang a picture frame or you want to put a floating shelf on your wall, so you take out your drill or your nail and start hammering or drilling through your wall. But be mindful, you have all these things behind there that could possibly be located where you're drilling, including this drain pipe, your copper pipe, PEX piping that's all loaded with water, and you have sewer gases from your drain, and you have this electrical shock hazard that could possibly drill right through that wire and cause an electrical shock. You don't want to be caught in that situation, so you want to be mindful of what's going on behind there before you drill. So the most inexpensive way to start is, say you want to drill a certain spot, so keep your drill speed at a minimum and then just slowly go through. And then once you feel like you hit through the drywall and you've passed right through, slowly retract back. What I don't suggest is you go full blast and go down through like that. Definitely you're going to end up damaging something if there is something behind there. Here, I'll give you an example. There you go. I've already drilled right through my pipe. And it doesn't take much for you to drill through that pipe or your PEX piping. See, I'm drilling right through. There you go. So close on hitting that wire. You want to go take your time. Go in a nice slow drilling motion, and then right there. Right when you feel your drill kind of break through, just stop right away and slowly retract back. Get yourself a wooden stick. Long wooden skewer is best. Don't try to get anything metal, because if you get something metal or conductive and you're poking through there and there's a live wire, you could get shocked. Poke right through and go in a circular motion, and you kind of feel it. See that? If I go in circular motion, there you go. So this next method that I'm going to show you is actually my highly suggested way of doing this, because you never know what's behind there, whether it be insulation that's covered up, covering all this, your drain pipe or your electrical wire. That's by using an endoscope. Connects directly onto your smartphone, so it doesn't need any battery, because once you connect it to your smartphone, automatically lights up, powering your endoscope. First thing that you want to do is you want to download the endoscope app that's provided. And there you go. It automatically turns on with the camera. You can see that you can change how bright the endoscope can be just by turning this knob right here. There you go. So what I like to do is I like to put a 90-degree turn and put another bend like this. You could even put another one like that so that you can fully rotate it. Just to let you know, friends, I'm not sponsored by any of the products that I show in this video. I bought this all with my own money so that I can create this video to help you friends out. But if you really want to help out the channel, I'll leave the links of each of the products that I use in this video on the description down below. If you click that link, I'll get a small commission. But just you watching this video is a great help enough. And thank you for the love and support. With that being said, let's get back to the video. Say this is the exact same place where you want to place that drywall anchor and you want to drill right through. Again, go with my method one method. Go really nice and slow so you reach the end of your drywall thickness. Feed this endoscope through your wall. Okay, and now there you go. And there I can see the whole drain pipe right there. If you go further around, you can see that there's a stud, and look at there's a wire sticking out through that stud. Another great tool option that's out there that you can use to track down what's behind your wall before drilling is this Walabot DIY2. Now, there's no cords necessary. It connects directly to your smartphone by Bluetooth. Let me show you how it works. Download the Walabot app. So now it's trying to sync with the Walabot. So now we're going to calibrate the tool. Press calibrate. So there you go, calibration is complete. So there's two options that you can go. You can go expert mode or image. Let's go try image first. So before we review the product, let me show you what's going on with my mock-up. I have a sheet of drywall, and then I have 1/2 inch PEX, 3/4 inch PEX piping, copper pipe, and this is ABS PVC drainage pipe. So this all simulates what's going on behind your wall, or could possibly be going on behind your wall, including the electrical wiring at the back there. Now, to be fair, this is not touching the drywall at all. It's about 1/2 inch away from the drywall. Same with this. This is even further. This copper pipe's about 1 inch away, and this drain pipe is about 1/2 inch away. So now that we got this calibrated, let me go run it, see if it detects it. So it looks like it's detecting this stud right here. It doesn't seem to detect this 1/2 inch PEX piping. It detects this stud. Flash right there. Detects this pipe. Detects this copper pipe. Detects that stud. And it's detecting this drain pipe. And see that little slanted? That's your copper wire. See if it can still track down this 1/2 inch PEX pipe. So no, it does not detect that 1/2 inch PEX pipe for some reason. So let's see if we can detect that 1/2 inch PEX pipe by going to expert mode. Now this expert mode, it allows you, it looks like it's thermal vision, so it reads it like thermally. I don't know if that's even a word, but it will. Let's start the scan. It's like it's detecting that stud. For some reason it cannot detect that PEX pipe. So it looks like it's detecting that stud, that pipe, stud, and it detects the wire that was there and detects this drain pipe. It doesn't seem to want to read it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to push this closer to the drywall, see if it reads it. There you go. Looks like it's starting to show up now that it's closer to the drywall. But once I let go of it and it goes further back from the wall, it disappears. What I did now is I capped the end of this 1/2 inch PEX piping so that we can put water. Okay, so there you go. Now it reads it. So all it needed to do was it to be filled with water. And let's go to expert mode and see if it'll be able to track it as well. So tracks the stud here, and there you go. Now it's able to track it. So in real life scenario, the piping is filled with water anyways, so pretty cool. So now we know that it does work, because most of the time your pipes inside your home is filled with water anyways, and that's why it wasn't picking up, because there was no water in there, which is great because we already know that since this is not filled with water, it's still able to pick up. What more when there's water in there? If you get a chance, try this out. I'll leave the link on the description down below for you to try it out. Those are all the tips I got for you, friends. Hopefully those tips will help you out to prevent any damage whenever you're drilling through your wall, because service calls like that to an electrician or a plumber cost a lot of money, especially if it happens on the weekend and you need them right away. So hopefully these tips will help you prevent from doing that. So let me know in the comment section down below, which ones have you tried? Have you tried other means of methods? If so, leave it in the comment section down below and share it with the community. It'll greatly help us out. Also, if you have any ideas, please share it in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestion for future videos, leave it in the comment section down below as well. If you like the stuff that I used in this video, all the items, I will leave the links on the description down below. All right, friends, so thank you so much for the love and support. If you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.